We at IPC aspire to solve some of the toughest challenges in the electronics manufacturing industry, all while keeping in mind the sustainability aspects of the work we do. What does it mean to build electronics sustainably? It's an awareness of concepts, approaches, and metrics for continuous improvement, focusing on increased resource efficiency and decreased impacts, and a commitment to conscientious and intentional lifecycle management. IPC's ESG for Electronics Steering Group informed us that the industry needs help to identify which emerging sustainability-related topics are most relevant to the electronics manufacturing industry. To expand IPC's topic coverage, to include relevant sustainability topics and concepts, and to create standards, education, and advocacy that enable the industry to better manage relevant sustainability obligations. Sustainable industry standards are critical to any electronics manufacturing business, and our goal is to have our standards, education, and advocacy efforts be more inclusive of concepts and topics facing our industry right now. Issues that come to mind are greenhouse gas emissions, life cycle management of products, diversity and inclusion, supply chain risks such as responsible sourcing, human rights and worker rights, and pollution prevention. IPC recently launched an evidence-based sustainability strategic plan, IPC's Sustainability Initiative, to ensure that members can come to IPC for trusted and relevant standards, education, and advocacy resources that the industry uses to achieve sustainability aims. The IPC Sustainability Initiative provides direction and ensures realistic and appropriate tools for the electronics manufacturing industry. We're in the process of establishing a Sustainability for Electronics Leadership Council and action groups. We will conduct a first-of-its-kind industry-wide materiality assessment to determine what sustainability means for electronics manufacturers. We are also increasing our communications about emerging policies and regulatory requirements, standards activities, and insights into risk factors and how to address them and report on them through sustainability reporting. As we look to the future, sustainability will continue to be top of mind in our industry. The choices we make now to preserve our environment while continuing to build quality electronics will require the collaboration of all of us in the electronics manufacturing industry. This is truly groundbreaking work in the field, and we welcome your participation and input. For further information on the IPC Sustainability Initiative, please reach out to Dr. Kelly Scanlon, Lead Sustainability Strategist at kellyscanlon@ipc.org. Thank you.